Maximize your uptime with easy and fast support. Ricoh uses the latest technology, including cloud computing, big data, and AI, to provide you with maintenance services like no other. With Ricoh's MFPs, you can easily import your current settings to your new model, allowing a smooth transition. Say goodbye to slow transitions with a long period of downtime. And don't worry, your data is encrypted to ensure full security during the transfer. If you get stuck while using your MFP, simply press the question mark on the panel. Your MFP will identify the function you're looking for and show you relevant help right away. You can also view the help information on your smart device by scanning the QR code. When you encounter a problem, our operators provide remote support. We look at your screen and operate your MFP remotely to fix the problem. Ricoh provides a remote management service where we track the status and usage of your MFP via the internet. Remote diagnostics are used to carry out inspections when they are needed, preventing problems from occurring. With a Ricoh MFP, you no longer need to wait for a customer engineer to come and update your MFP. Our automatic update function keeps your MFP updated with the latest security functions so that using your MFP is easy and worry-free. Ricoh's customer engineers use specialist smart devices to keep track of information such as part details and how you are using the device. If a problem occurs, our highly experienced experts use the big data we have collected to fix the issue quickly. We are also actively working on research and development to prevent malfunctions using AI. Our AI technology analyzes factors such as how and where you're using your MFP to predict abnormalities and problems, then carries out scheduled maintenance to prevent them. Ricoh combines a wealth of past experience with the technology of the future to keep your business running smoothly with services that are one step ahead.
Ricoh.